Welcome to Vaibhav Power Vlogs. Press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So hello guys, welcome to Vaibhav Power Vlogs. Today we are going to unbox the Cadbury shorts. You can see the shorts box. They have given the design on the box. They have given the green dot again. It's a vegetarian product. Over here they have written the rupees 2 per unit. On the back side they have given the ingredients. You can see net weight is given 185.6 grams. I bought this packaging for 116 rupees. So let's unbox it. So you can see the dairy milk shorts. On the packaging they have given 58 units in it. You can see. So now you can see the packaging. Now let's open it. So you will get 2 dairy milk shot in the single packaging. So let me know in the comment section how was the video. Till then, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next upcoming video of Vaibhav Power Vlogs. Till then, thank you so much.